Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In this session, we are going to create cost of living supplemental earning. So let's see the test scenario for this element earning case. Okay, so first we create the cost of living allowance supplemental earning, then find the existing employee Linda Swift, and then associate cost of living allowance with the employee, and then run the quick pay for this employee. So let's move on to the application. Here on the home page, go to my client group and scroll down and click on the show more option. Here find the element under the payroll. Just click on it. Here, click the plus icon for creating new elements. Select the legislative data group. And then select the primary classification, which is a supplemental earning. And then select the secondary classification. So cost of living is a kind of bonus. So secondary classification is a bonus. Then category is a standard. Then click on the continue option. Here just fill the information name of the element. And then the reporting name, which is a supplemental earning. And then fill the description. Okay, so input currency is automatically populated because we select the legislative data group, US legislative data group. Okay, so select the duration for this element entry. Should every person eligible for this element or not? So select here no. And then what is the earliest entry date? It's the first standard earning date, and what's the latest entry date is the last standard earning date. So select the standard rule for this element, at which employment level. So I select the assignment level, and does this element recur? So yes, it's recurring. And process the element only once each payroll period. So yes. And can a person have more than one entry? No, person cannot have more than one entry. And process and pay elements separately or with other earning elements. So if you want to select the process separately but pay with the other earning, you can also select this option, and you can also select this option, third one, process separately and pay separately. But I select here the first option, which is process and pay with the other earnings. Okay, then the last standard rule is a prorate this earning across all period during which it was earned, and consider it for the overtime calculations such as for commission, bonus, incentive. So it's a bonus, so I just click on the yes and then click on the next option. Here select the calculation rule. Here only flat amount calculation rule is available for this element earning, and select the special rule. Is this element subject to proration? So no. And is this element subject to retroactive change? So no. Okay, so these are the overtime rules. I just leave it as it is and then click on the next option. So this is the review page for the information we just filled for the supplemental earning. Then after reviewing this, click on the submit option. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, so this is the element template we just created for the cost of living element entry. Let's create the element eligibility for this element. Click on the element eligibility, then click on the action, and then click on the create element eligibility. Here fill the name, and then click on the submit. Okay, so now our element is ready. Let's attach this element to the employee and run the quick pay. So let's move on to the home page. Just scroll down and find the simplified quick pay option. This is the simplified quick pay. Let's find the employee with whom we want to attach this element. And I got it. Okay, so click on the add icon and here find the element. This is the element we just created. Click on it. Then click on the continue option. Here give the amount. Like I give the $100 and then click on the submit option. Let's run the quick pay for this employee and see the result. Okay, so it's processing now. Let's just wait for a minute. Okay, so this is the statement of earning. Under the earnings, you can see here the cost of living allowance $100 we just assigned to this employee. So this is how you can create the allowances for the employee and run the quick pay. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching the video.